Welcome, bookworms and story lovers, to story time. Today, we're cuddling up with a tiny bookworm. Well, a mouse, actually, but she loves stories just as much. Get comfy and meet Luna the Lost Library Mouse. Deep within the Grand Oakwood Library lived a curious little mouse named Luna. Unlike her family who scurried after crumbs, Luna dreamt of stories. She longed to explore the towering shelves, filled with tales of adventure and faraway lands. One quiet evening, as the library closed its doors, Luna peeked out from her cozy nest in a forgotten book. The silence was magical. With a tiny squeak of excitement, Luna darted out, her whiskers twitching with anticipation. The library was a wonderland with towering shelves that seemed to reach the clouds well, the ceiling for Luna S. Spellbound, she scurried from shelf to shelf, her tiny paws skimming the colourful spines of books. Suddenly, a loud bang echoed through the library. Luna froze. A heavy book had fallen from a high shelf, blocking her way back to her nest. Panic gnawed at her tiny heart. She was lost, alone in a world of giants. Tears welled up in Luna's eyes. Just then, a soft voice startled her. "Why the long face, little one?" It was a wise old owl named Hootbert, perched on a nearby bookshelf. Sniffling, Luna explained her predicament. Hootbert chuckled, his round eyes twinkling. "Don't worry, little Luna," he hooted reassuringly. "Libraries are filled with helpful creatures." Hootbert then hooted twice, a special signal. Moments later, a gentle giant with kind eyes and a friendly smile appeared. It was Mr. Peabody, the library's kind caretaker. Hootbert explained Luna's situation. Mr. Peabody smiled. "Don't fret, little one," he said gently. "We'll help you find your way home." Mr. Peabody carefully lifted the heavy book, creating a path for Luna. He then knelt down and offered her a tiny piece of cheese, a delicious treat for a brave little mouse. Luna, her fear replaced by gratitude, munched on the cheese as Mr. Peabody gently led her back to the familiar corner where her nest snuggled amongst the forgotten books. From that day on, Luna continued to sneak out after the library closed, but with a newfound friend. Hootbert would guide her to safe, low shelves filled with children's stories. Luna would listen intently, her heart swelling with every See, everyone, even the smallest creature can find friendship and adventure in unexpected places. So next time you visit a library, remember, there might just be a tiny bookworm waiting to discover a new story. Until next time, happy reading! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.